Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon gingerbread girl. Let's begin in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle on the top left side of each eye for highlight. And we'll add a smaller circle on the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's give our character some lashes. Starting from the top, draw a short line going up on both sides. Move out, we're just going to angle this up and then out. Let's move to the center and draw in the mouth, starting with a curve coming down and up. Let's round up the ends. And we'll curve the bottom of the mouth. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the top of the head and draw a circle for the bow. Go to the left side, curve this up, come around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right, going out and then in. We'll draw the bottom half of the bow, going out and then up in behind that circle. Let's move out to the side and draw on the head. We're going to start from the left side, going all the way around the eyes and the face. Come across the middle, go up and then in behind the bow. Underneath the head, we're going to draw two curves for the collar, starting in the center, coming down, and then up. Let's trace these curves along the inside. Let's go to the side and draw the arms. Angle this up and then out. Round up the hands, and then pull that back in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to bend this down and then out across the edge of the skirt. Bend this back in towards the legs. Now let's draw the bottom of the legs. Starting on the left, come down, go around, just pull that up in towards the middle, and do the same thing on the right side. Now let's go back and add that wave across the wrist. Starting from the top, drawing that S shape, step in, draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add that same trim across the bottom of the legs. And then we'll add a wave across the bottom of the dress, starting on the left, waving this across and then up. Let's round up the ends, and then trace that wave across the top. Let's add two buttons in the center of the body, one circle on the top and then the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a gingerbread girl. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.